Looking for a way to play Valorant on your PC? Look no further. In this video, I'll show you how to download Valorant for PC for free. Hi, my name is Johannes, and in this video, I'll show you how to download Valorant for PC for free. Valorant is a new battle royale game that's been gaining a lot of popularity, and I'm sure a lot of you are looking for a way to play it on your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. We'll start off by opening up our browser and going to Google. In here, you want to search for Valorant video game. There we go. And as you can see, the first link that pops up is playvalorant.com. That's what we want to click. Now in here, as you can see, this is a Riot Games website. Make sure you're on here. And as you can see in the middle already, it says play free Valorant. So click play free. You now want to sign in if you already have a Riot account, or if you don't have one, make one. So I have one, so I'll click sign in. Now that I'm logged in, you can see download the game in here on this website with this red download button in the center left. What you want to do is click download and verify your date of birth to continue. Now you can see the red download button in the center of your screen, so click that, and the install valorant.exe is being downloaded in the bottom left of your screen. The download process, so left click that, so it's now opening up that executable file. As you can see here, Riot Games, you can click install or click advanced options in order to change the install path. Now as you can see, the path where I want to install Valorant has been changed for me, and now I want to hit install. As you can see in the bottom left, it now says installing. Now as you can see here, it's currently installing 212 megabytes, and also has this timer in the bottom right, which tells you how long this will take. Now as you can see here, this is the Riot Games launcher. What you can do is sign in on the left here, and now that you're logged in, you can see your download in the bottom left.